My name is John Hatcher and I'm a technician for Sonny Merryman. So day to day we handle the diagnosis and repair of the various products that we sell and support. So when I was an undergraduate student at Lynchburg College, I worked facilities. I worked for the grounds department, and I spent a lot of time repairing the equipment that would break down. And obviously I wasn't a professional at that time, but I did spend a lot of time working on equipment and the vehicles that were in the fleet at that time. And when I finished graduate school, put in an application and they said, come give it a shot. And I've now been here almost 8 years. There aren't as many differences as you would expect there to be between working on a conventional diesel-powered bus and an electric bus. There are differences, but there aren't that many. I like the balance between the problem solving and the hands-on. So if it were just the raw process of changing out parts all day, I wouldn't be as interested in it. But when there's a problem that needs to be diagnosed and solved, for instance, troubleshooting an electrical system or a failure with an internal component of an engine, the process of getting to that, determining what needs to be done to make the system function properly, that is what interests me the most. Honestly, anybody that has the interest and drive to learn. These products change frequently. You know, in the 8 years that I've been here, it's every production run, there's something changes, and usually that, you know, leads to another puzzle that needs to be, unraveled and figured out. It'll keep you on your toes, you know. Just because you've seen a problem 100 times, it doesn't always mean, the minute you make an assumption about the solution to the problem, you'll be proven wrong. You'll have to go back and start from square one again. If you're able to interpret the information that's laid in front of you and have the ability to apply it to a real world problem, then you'll be in good shape. It is satisfying to see them out and about. If my wife and I are driving down, say, the highway and see one of our buses go by, I'd be like, oh yeah, I've worked on that one before, you know. It's carrying kids every day, you know, to and from school every day. That's as important as it can get.